Good morning, student. Today we will learn chapter 70 Stars and their solar system. In this video, you will know about the how many stars present in our Milky Way galaxy and where is Alpha Centauri and Proxima Centauri situated. Now we learn about the star. Stars are celestial bodies that emit their own light. They are made up of the hydrogen and helium gas. Our nearest star is Sun. It distance 115 million kilometers away from the Earth. Ursa Major has 7 prominent members in it, which are arranged in a outline similar to that the big ladders, a serving spoon. Ursa Major is more commonly known as Brahad Saptariti or the Great Bear. Ursa Minor is another constellation with 7 prominent members, one of which has a great importance for us. Ursa Minor is also known as Laghu Saptarisi or Small Bear. Orion is another constellation of interesting who literally meaning is a hunter. The star arranged in shape of hunter. And the next one is Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia is another very important prominent constellation of northern part of the sky. It appears as a capital W or an M during early winter night. This is all constellation we can see in winter season. The total system of a large number of celestial bodies revolve around the sun is called solar system. Sun's mass is nearly 3 lakhs 33,000 times of the Earth. Sun is nearly 6,000 degrees Celsius, which is much cooler than the inner core of the sun. And the planet, the heavenly body that revolve around the sun are called planet. Sun, the elliptical path in which a planet move around the sun is called its orbit. Mercury is the smallest member of the solar system. It is also near to the sun, named after the Roman god. The planet has no natural moons and no subsistence atmosphere. Venus is the second innermost hottest planet, a big, very bright planet. It is often known as the evening star because its brightness and easily visible in the night sky during the late evening. Venus was also called the twin sisters of the Earth. Earth is the third planet starring from the sun. It is only planet in our solar system that has life on it. It is possible many features it has. The second nearest planet to the Earth, the Mars, is also often called red planet due to the red or pink appearance of its rocks, soil and sky. The Mars have 2 moons named Phobos and Deimos by their discovered Alpha's Hals in 1877. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. It is easily seen from the Earth and its volume is approximately 1400 times than that of the Earth. Saturn appears to be flattened when viewed from the Earth through a telescope. The rocks in the Saturn are 70% ice, hydrogen and 25% helium, with depths of the water. Uranus is an almost featureless planet in visual light. It has 27 non-moons and also a few rings around it. Its composition of Uranus is similar to the Neptune. Neptune has a blue color and it's a typical gas planet. Its prominent feature is the great dark spot present in it. Our solar system has 13 non-moons. Terrestrial planets have either no moon or a small number of moons. Jovian planets have a large number of moons and even rings also. Saturn has the smallest density among all the planets. Its density is even less than the water. So Saturn floats in the water. Objects revolve around the sun are known as asteroids. They form a wide ring in between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, which is known as asteroid belt. In picture you can see. Actually, small objects that sometime enter the Earth's atmosphere, which is high speed. These objects are called meteor, and the unevaporated part of such meteor reach the Earth's surface are called meteorite. Comets are lumps of ice and dust which periodically comes into the center of the solar system from somewhere outside. Example, helicomets. Moon's is 3,84,400 km away from the sun. It is natural satellite of the Earth. The surface of the moon has many craters and mountains. Craters are formed when meteor hit of the moon. At the night we see different shapes of the moon. These shapes are called the phases of moon. Main phases of moon are new moons, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent. Satellites made by the man are called man-made satellite or artificial satellite. Example, Sputnik first, Aryabhat, Apple, Insect, etc. Sputnik first is the first artificial satellite and Aryabhat is the first Indian artificial satellite. Application of artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are used in radio and TV transmission and telecommunication. They are used for weather forecasting. They are used to study different celestial bodies like moons, asteroids, etc.